So we're on day 67. Can't believe how much they've kind of done today. So this is us walking into the lounge. And this is my little office here at the back. Then we walk through to dining room. And then we've got our mezz floor will be up here, so there's another entrance here for the hall, and then our stairs will be here and go up that way, and that's the top of the mezz floor. And then through this area here there'll be 2 rooms, bathroom in the middle. Some massive progress. So didn't quite meet the we'll walk upstairs by Friday, but I think maybe Wednesday we'll be able to walk upstairs. Day 66. Thankfully still no digging, and it's not raining.